So this is the first lensometer. So first off, before we turn the machine on, we need some glasses. So there's some practice glasses in here. And I'm going to go ahead, let's see what these are. So these are bifocals. You can tell because of the line on them. So we'll go ahead and use these for fun. Progressives are, I think, a little bit easier with this machine, but bifocals should be okay. So first off, we want to turn the machine on. And it looks like, I think it was already on. So it's off right now because this little green light isn't on. And now I'm turning it on. You can see that because the green light comes on there. It'll show there, it says paper empty, so it won't spit out any receipts with the information we get, but that's okay. So this is what you'll use for normal glasses if you want. It can be a little more sensitive, a little more difficult to use. So what you actually can do is just hit this button here. It's going to switch it over to a progressive lens. So we'll start with the right eye. I'm orienting my glasses. This is how you wear them. I'm just going to turn them like this and start with the right eye. And you're just going to hold it with both hands and keep moving around until you get a little checkbox that comes up eventually, maybe at some time, perhaps. It'd be cool if it did. And we see we're on the right eye here, so that's nice. And these numbers are changing, but there's simply no checkbox. So let's try a different pair of glasses. Perhaps it has something to do with bifocals. Let's try some progressive lenses. These look like they're either normal or progressive. They have no line on them. So we'll try these. And once again, there we go. So now that's a little checkbox you're looking for. For the first part, you'll center it right there. That's just the normal part of the glasses. You'll hit the button once that I hit with my thumb there. And you'll pull the glasses forward. And if you don't pull it perfectly straight, the machine will let you know. You want that check to stay the same shape. So keep pulling it all the way forward as much as you can, and then it'll read. So these, it looks like they have an ad of $2.75, and then this is the actual prescription in the glasses for the top part. So we'll go ahead, move on to the left eye, do the same thing. We'll go ahead and hold these glasses here and hit the button once to get it centered. Keep pulling it down, and just, if you ever see that check being weird, just move it side to side until it's no longer weird. Keep pulling all the way, There we go. So $2.75 on that side as well. And that's the prescription that we get. So you'll want to record this somewhere. Usually you can get a printout, which is a little helpful. And then to double check this ad, since the ad sometimes can be a little funny with this machine, you can look at the glasses themselves, just hold them up to a light source and look for some markings on the lenses that lets you know what their ad is. I'm having a little bit of trouble seeing, so I'm gonna try to wipe off these glasses. Typically, I feel like you should do this with a lens cloth because you don't want to scratch anyone's glasses. But for this one, I can see right there on the corner it says $2.75, and it also says it on the other eye, just about right there on the lens. So it'll change glasses to glasses, but $2.75 is right, which is great. And then in this case, you would press this button to print out a little receipt, which would come out of the machine here if you wanted to do that. But we're out of paper, so we won't do that. You can just write it down. And I think that's it for this one, for sure. I'll try